Hello and welcome to issue 99 of Build Your Own 3D Printer, 3D Create and Print. Well, it's just a 3D Create and Print now a bit really. Okay, what we've got in the finishing tool, straight edge tip, this here. Let's come back to that in a minute. Usual web access code 988443. Metal shining hour. One of the most successful sectors in 3D printing is metal. For some companies, notably in the high-tech field, the technology is poised to enter a golden age. 3D metal is increasingly being used to make end-use parts. Okay. US company, I don't know how you pronounce that, Skyski, an industrial leader in metal AM manufacturing, has a range of electronic beams, additives manufacturing, EBAM, metal, 3D printers. The largest of three, EBAM 300, has a 19-foot long 5,791mm print bed. Quite that's big. So that's what that big 3D printer there looks like. Italian aerospace producer Evo Aero embarked on serious production of its state-of-the-art turbine blade using a bank of 10 electron beams melting. With this game-changing technology, the best is yet to come. Who's who and what is in metal company. Got Sweden, Germany, USA. There's one UK. Renishaw UK. Power Fusion. Turning rust into iron. Printing from pure metal alloys powders is a very expensive process, but a team at Northern University in the USA is aiming to make cheaper and faster. Metal powders are printed with a building agent to make the green body printed object, which must be cured in the kiln to reach a fully hardened end state. The team idea departs from the basic blender jetting method by offering a wide range of metallic exoids such as rust. According to a team member, David Dunand, they can use very cheap exoid powders rather than corresponding expensive metal powders. It's hard to find something cheaper than rust. Using NetFab Part 1. There are many useful programs and utilities that make the process of 3D printing a bit easier. NetFab is one of the pieces of software that can take the headache out of 3D work. That can take the headache out of working with 3D objects. From time to time you find yourself working on a 3D object that just won't print. There can be many reasons for this, and at first glance the problem might not be obvious. NetFab is a useful piece of software that can analyse your STL files and flag up any issues with the geometry, but that's not all. NetFab will also edit and repair any problems it finds. Even better, you can download and use a basic version of the program for free. This tutorial will explain how to use NetFab Basic on your computer. Then in the next issue we'll explain how to use it how to use fix files that won't slice properly that in 3D Create software. So this is installing NetFab. Okay. More about installing NetFab. I don't know if I'll do that or not. We'll see. Straight edge tip. Fit the straight edge tip to the heated finishing tool base fit the straight edge tip to the heated finishing tool base unit to remove imperfections from wider, flatter surfaces. Important. Before you use the heating finishing tool and its 8 fining tips, please ensure that you read the safety advice on page 16 of issue 92. It's very important to remember that the tip of the tool gets extremely hot. Okay, so your finishing tool tips so far. So we've got macro remover tip, issue 92. Pointed tip, issue 93. Chisel tip, issue 95. Shape tape tip, issue 96. And this is the straight edge tip. Let's put this before that gets lost into my little P3 bag. So I'll put that tip in there, safekeeping, so until I get the heated finishing tool that I haven't got yet. I should have got it, but I haven't got it anyway. So let's carry on. Got the design files, bracket, that. Bottle cap wrench. Sniffing device will have a cap off those soft drinks and soda bottles and Jiffy. Button assist. This useful tool helps less able to fasten buttons with ease. Also doubles as a zip pull. Somehow you put buttons on that and you've got your zip pull on that end, I see. Okay. Close pegs. More durable and traditional wooden close peg. This need updates and requires separate spring. Okay, it's all one part. Using the straight edge tip. For this issue, you see the straight edge tip to add your expanding collection of the finest tips of the heated finishing tool. Okay, and again it's about the warning that when it's getting too hot, and it shows you which ones you can use it with. And then next week, some spare parts by the looks of it. Printhead heater block, issue 100. So that's it. So that's quite an easy. So it's just basically about the magazine now. So that's it. I'm still waiting for the, I think it was issue 96 for the, and issue 93, which I've got missing, still waiting for them. So that's it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.